ಸರಿ ಸಾಬ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಗೌಡನಾ? ಗೌಡ್ರ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಕ್ಕಲಿಗರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? Hey guys, host me Sandeep back again. So today I'm going for a ride to windmills that's somewhere near Hassan, almost 150 kilometers from here. It's been like 2 months I last went on a ride, so today is a ride day. I'm going to Hassan for that. I'm going to Hassan to see the windmills somewhere. So hope it's going to be a nice ride. So I'm getting late, I need to rush, and I'll do the vlog later. Well, hey guys, the host is Sandeep back here for a very long time, after 2 months. So today we are going to Hassan now. Hassan will go to windmills. That's the place we are going to. Sunday morning, so many people riding across. Hey bro.
How are you?
Good morning, I'm fine. How are you doing? Okay.
I was just waiting many people will be in,
So how is it? Comfortable, huh?
yes, very good.
Very good, huh?
Awesome.
Show me the liner you're talking about. That this thing. Achha, where is the provision for this thing you said, no? That water thing.
Top there is a zebra.
Achha, yeah. Nice.
I saw you multi-started.
Yeah. Everybody start going now. Everything open now. Most of them will go to Nandi Hills only.
Sorry?
Most of them will head to Nandi Hills
No,
only.
this way, dude.
Few went here, few went there.
Yeah, big.
मस्तन भाई एफसी कौन से लेके आ गए?
Sandeep.
हाँ
Super.
मस्तन भाई एफसी कौन से लेके आ गए? मैं से एनएस लेके सोचा था मैं. एनएस
Yes था मेरे पास.
एनएस था और ये था ना अपना होसंग.
नहीं, yes था, NS था.
एस है क्या? कोई बात नहीं, वही दे दिया क्या?
देखिए इंडिया 1 साल हो गया.
हाँ, ये 150 सीसी है ना ये.
आप लोग आए नहीं राइट पे. प्रतीक के साथ 2-3 राइड किया मैं.
अच्छा, इसमें दिड़ू पे गया था. दिड़ू पे वो कौन सा? इसमें गए थे क्या? चलो बढ़िया.
लोकेशन वही है या चेंज करना है, ऐसा कुछ है?
कौन सा ब्रो? राइड का?
हाँ.
राइड का कर दे. कुछ ज़्यादा दूर लग रहा है क्या?
नहीं, पूछ रहा हूँ आप लोगों को. इसमें काम को करो ना.
150 किलोमीटर करेक्ट. हासन में, हासन से पहले आता है वो.
हासन से पहले. हासन 300 है ना.
200 के आसपास है वो.
ये 160 है शायद.
हो जाएगा चलो.
कुछ नहीं, आराम से भगाएंगे भी तो हो जाएगा.
भाई 6 o'clock ऑल्सो नो प्रॉब्लम. जगदीश भाई थोड़ा ऐसा नहीं, एक थोड़ा सिंगल ले लेके ऐसा.
पैर करने की इंटर.
Beautiful Sunday morning. We headed to windmills ride somewhere near Hassan. Before Hassan, approximately 150 kilometers from here, and we're waiting near toll somewhere, the Hassan toll. And there behind me is Kishan Belagali. He's riding his Hayabusa. So nice to meet him. Nice. He's a big boss contestant. There is Mr. Kishan. Kishan also, hi everybody.
Hi.
So Mr. Kishan is here, big boss contestant. So he's headed for a normal short spin. He's headed to. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು.
Thank you so much.
ಕಿಶನ್ ಸರ್, ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ.
Thank you so much.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ದೀಪಿಕಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ.
Thank you.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಯೂರ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ.
I'll see you. Thank you.
That's Big Boss contestant Kishan Belagali. What a fantastic guy, smart, handsome guy he is. Look at his Hayabusa GS 1300R. But I'll chase him for some time. Wait. तो चाय का समय हो चुका है ऐसा भाई
बोला 1800 है वो।
तो हमारा प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना अभी कैमरा निकालना बोले से है सबको साइड में डाल के करना पड़ेगा। तो भाई लोग हो चुका है चाय का समय।
अरे
ब्लॉगिंग मैं चाय का वर्क करता हूँ चाय बिस्किट सब कुछ nice little nice little time. I've never done this in my life but बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है दोस्तों। कोरोना टाइम है तो आइडिया है कि सेफ होने का so we're not having anything outside so we thought this is the best way to stay safe. So चाय का टाइम हो गया।
सैंडी भाई तुम्हारे बाल ऐसे ही कैसा है? हमारा सब चमक गया है।
क्या हो गया?
A few moments later.
So hey guys, host Sandeep back again. So दोस्तों we have stopped for breakfast. In fact we had our breakfast. We are done with our breakfast now. had carried parotas from home, homemade parotas. So knowing the situation around us, we are cutting down the risk factor. We didn't want to eat outside as many of them are doing as of now. I've been seeing from the time I started, I've been seeing many people stopping their cars next to the roadside and having their breakfast which they carried from home. They don't want to take risk of due to the situation around us, the Corona time. So we want to be safe, we want to ride, we want to have fun, but in a safe environment. So right now I have Mastan Bhai with me. There he is, the gymmer bodybuilder. He's going to show his signature pose now, and also there. And there is Jagdish. I just met him yesterday. He was active in our Motovloggers group anyway, so I knew him. Virtually I knew him, so now I got to meet him. We are done with the breakfast now, and now we'll have some coffee and start the ride again. Hopefully after this we'll not stop much. The ride is delayed actually. We are supposed to start by 6 in the morning, but somehow the ride got delayed for some reason, so that's it. Hey guys, time for some cappuccino, hot water and some cappuccino. You know, it's a mix, cappuccino mix. Get hot water, mix it, and ready to have. Let me have it. Yeah, nice. पैंट गया भाया फोटो शूट करना था फोटो शूट सर भैया मस्तान भाई पैंट गया मेरा Oh my god, absolutely crazy bro, fantastic view, Absolutely crazy, bro. I'm loving it. Now we'll take some beautiful pictures along the way. भाई ऊपर जाके आए क्या? ये ऊपर जाएंगे तो रुकेंगे? जाके आएंगे क्या? Hey guys, hosting Sandeep back again. So friends, today Sunday 9th of August 2020, we came for a quick ride, first ride after lockdown, first proper ride you can say. Had gone for one more ride, Ghati Subramanya, about 2 months back. So I've come here closer to about Hassan, 30 kilometers before Hassan. You see these beautiful windmills around, nature around, all these beautiful wings, winding winds of this turbulence, giving power, generating power. Looks beautiful, absolute beautiful place to make videos, take some pictures, and a lot of people here today because there's a marriage going on downstairs. So yeah, and I'll show you how beautiful this place is. So that what you see is that's Chikmagalur for you. That is Chikmagalur. The part which you cannot see covered with mist and fog is Chikmagalur for you. That's Malnad region. So you see this beautiful nature, all greenery around. Let me show you the aerial view. Let me show you the 360-degree view of this place. That's temple, beautiful temple. I took the blessings of Lord Shiva, and then yeah, nice efficient time. It might rain anytime. It did rain. In fact, it did rain quite a bit, but somehow able to manage. Let me just show you this beautiful. You see that beautiful windmills? Oh. You see that absolutely beautiful windmills around. Oh. I think that's Hassan somewhere down there. That's Hassan for you. That's Hassan. Oh, that's Hassan. And that is all Malnad region. Beautiful place, beautiful place. You see that? Beautiful windmills. You know, I always wanted to come closer to windmills, so today I've come. Never really have been able to come this close to a windmill. So today we came for a ride. Beautiful place, temple top. So absolutely beautiful time we've had. Windmills and yeah. So we'll try and fly the drone here, and let's see how this place looks. So I have this boy Ravi here, good nice boy. He is taking care of the temple. ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನನ ತುಂಬ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ ರವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆನಾ ರವಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಭರವಸೆ ಇದೆ. ರವಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗ. ಸೊ ಯಾಸ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಇನ್ನೇನು ರವಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಪೂಜೆ ನೀನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಡೈಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ನೀನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಡೇದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ನೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ? 6th ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. ನೀವು ಲಿಂಗಾಯತರ? Linga is nice. Very nice boy. Yeah, so I had a good friend. He was curious enough. Why I got him on board on my channel on my video is because I was making videos, so he's curious enough to see the drone. Drone ತುಂಬ ಕುತೂಹಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ತೋರಿಸ್ದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಡ್ರೋನು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ತೊಗೊಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ದೆ. ನೋಡಿದ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದು ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬಾಪ ನೀನು ಅಂತ I just wanted to just he'll be happy, his parents will be happy. So that's it. So hey guys, मैंने आपको उस तरफ जगह दिखाया, the place where you saw was the front side of the temple. Now this is the back side. Too much of wind, of course. I had difficulty in flying the drone, and of course there will be difficulties because when there's too much of wind, it will not sense the signal, and there will be compass interference. It was not flying properly, it was not landing properly. So I just was able to take one video in the front side from the drone. The back is I tried flying the drone here. In this part, you can see this is this big winding wings of this windmills. Of course, when these have been strategically placed at a place where there's supposed to be wind, I think it's foolishness to even fly the drone because it will not just sustain. It cannot sustain. It will never sustain the. It can never sustain the wind. Drone is hardly weighing around, let's say, 2.3 pounds. Let's say approximately. So for a something like 340 grams, I mean, it never sustain this strong winds behind. The beautiful place. You see it's everywhere. That's somewhere that's beyond his Hassan. Temple, windmills, beautiful place. I think beautiful place around 110-120 kilometers from Bangalore. 120-130 maybe from Bangalore, and it's a beautiful place. Of course, this thing will also have divine feeling throughout when you're here. That's what I like to say. Yeah, we spent good 2 hours here. Now I think we must head back to Bangalore straight if we have to reach on time. Of course we will not be able to reach on time. At least 7 o'clock. Beautiful wind all. That's all guys. I think I'll have 10 o'clock here. I have spoken to this abilities, and that's it. So yeah, so if you like the video, please guys do subscribe to my channel and do support. As I've been saying, it takes a lot of effort, a lot of money involved in making these vlogs, coming, traveling all the way, doing all this content for you guys. So please do support my effort. Your support is much more important to me. It helps me keep going places and yeah, beyond horizon. So please आपका सपोर्ट ऐसे दिखाइए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, डू वॉच माई वीडियोज़ गाइज, एंड टेक केयर माय डियर लवली फ्रेंड्स, एंड बाय बाय. Hey guys, it's wonderful. Whoa! Woo! Look at the windmill. Oh my God, beautiful scenery around. Beautiful scenery. Yeah. Which trail? Hey guys, so we have come on a small off-road trail here. We can get up close to windmills, so we'll just go there, possibly take some videos and some pictures if we can. Oh wow, beautiful beautiful windmills. So hey guys, देखिए यही है first time we are getting up close to windmills. Oh my god, it looks so humongous from the bottom. दूर से छोटा लगता है दोस्तों, लेकिन जब आप पास आते हो इतना बड़ा है. ये सर बड़ा है, बहुत बड़ा है. एयरप्लेन 10 गुना बड़ा है. टू 5 फ्लोर का घर का बड़ा है उसका विंग. 5 फ्लोर घर से बड़ा है. नहीं वो जो विंग बोल रहा हूँ, विंग अलोन इज 5 फ्लोर्स का हिसाब है. द विंग्स अलोन, यू कैन सी दैट. 5 मंजिला घर का बराबर है वो विंग्स, एक विंग्स. वाओ फ्रेंड्स, सो देखिए दोस्तों, दिस इज हाउ वी जनरेट, दिस इज हाउ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज जनरेटेड. Wow, look at that, we're up close to windmills. 1.5 megahertz. Wow, look at how it generates electricity, my dear friends. Beautiful. Wow, I liked it. Wow friends, look at that, so beautiful. Look at the pace at which it's traveling. Oh my god, it's huge. I like it. इसका एक, ये भाई साहब मेरे ख्याल से 20 फ्लोर बिल्डिंग से भी ऊंचा है. 20 फ्लोर्स. It's almost 20 floors, friends. और नहीं. Beautiful. All right, so let's move on. So first time I came so close to a windmill which generates power, and I'm happy to be up close to windmill. I always wanted to get up close to windmill. Finally I've come and I'm very happy, collecting all the memories. And let's go back now. It's beautiful. Gloves, eh? हाँ gloves डालो. बन्नी साहब रहा. मेरे को हेलमेट बहुत परेशान हो गया. बस मैं सच्ची बोल रहा हूँ, कान चला गया मेरा. ನಿಮ್ ದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆನೆ ನಮ್ದು ತೆನ್ನೆನಾ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ತೆನ್ನೆ ಹೊತ್ತು ಮೇಡೇನಾ JDS ಕುಮಾರಣ್ಣ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸರಿ ಸಾಬ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಗೌಡನಾ? ಗೌಡ್ರ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಕ್ಕಲಿಗರ ಎಲ್ರು? JDS ಗೆ